Punitive damages often exceed the claimant's actual damages. If the claimant's actual damages are small, must punitive damages also be limited in scope? In Boise Dodge versus Clark, the court mulls whether it's proper to award a claimant thousands of dollars in punitive damages when his actual damages totaled only a few $100s. In early 1967, Boise Dodge still had several 1966 cars on the lot. The cars were demonstrators, vehicles used for test drives or other dealership needs. The dealership's general manager, Jack Day, decided to make a special effort to sell the demonstrators. Day told the service manager to prep the cars for sale and roll back the odometers. On a Dodge Monaco, the service manager rolled back the mileage by nearly 7,000 miles. The odometer read 165 miles. Robert Clark and his wife came to the dealership. A salesman showed them the Dodge Monaco, describing it as a new car. Clark's wife asked how it could be new if it had 165 miles on it. The salesman explained it had been driven around the dealership. The Clarks purchased the car. To pay for the car, Clark traded in an old car and issued checks totaling $2,062. When Clark later discovered that the car was used, he stopped payment on the checks. The dealership sued Clark to recover the value of the stopped checks. Clark counterclaimed for breach of contract and deceit, a tort closely related to fraud. Clark sought both actual and punitive damages. The jury awarded the dealership damages to cover the stopped checks. The jury awarded Clark $350, the difference between the car's value as represented by the dealership and its actual value. In addition, the jury awarded Clark $12,500 in punitive damages. The dealership appealed to the Idaho Supreme Court.